Namaskar Odisha, this is me Madhusudan, and hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, right? So my friends, how are you doing all? I think you are doing great in your life, isn't it? So if you are doing great in your life, if you are really doing fantastic, fantabulous, gobsmack, then comment on this, comment on my videos that you are doing great, okay? Or else I can't believe on, yeah. So I'm so doing great, my friends. So today also I'm going to share very beautiful thoughts provoking. It is related to our journey, isn't it? So yeah, the moment I'm going to share you, it is really touch your heart. You will be able to relate with this video. You will be able to relate with your thoughts, with my thoughts, my friends. Today. So what I do every single day in this way, I record my videos and I upload on YouTube. Sometimes also I speak very wrong English. Sometimes I speak very. Sometimes I become very confusion. What should I speak? What should I say? How to share my journey and all. So, but it's okay. I am trying my level best to speak in English language. Okay. So let's start, my friends. And I do not want to waste your time. So let's judge up. Let's gear up. Let's share the beautiful thoughts provoking. I am going to share, my friends, two things I am going to share. Okay. So first thing first, I want to give the one very beautiful things that, my dear friends. So it's been around 7 days, my friends. I never speak in front of people. It's been, I think, it's been around 7 days. I never speak in front of people. But today I can realize that if I do not practice in front of suppose I want to become good speaker, I want to become I am hesitating to speak in front of people, I am hesitating to speak in front of camera. So I should practice daily. Suppose I want to become great speaker, so what should I do? I should practice daily, then only I'll be able to speak confidently, isn't it? So that's really important, my friends. So earlier I used to speak in front of people also, but nowadays I'm not speaking, so that's why I am feeling very low confidence. But it's okay, it happens. We should maintain a consistency, my friends. And suppose, my friends, our mind is like soil, my friends. If your mind is positive, then only you will be able to plant the small tree, isn't it? So many tractors are coming, my friends. They are little bit they are disturbing me, but it's okay. So there is a saying that maintenance is always cheaper than repairing. Maintaining is always cheaper than repairing, my friends. So last 7 days onwards, I was not speaking in front of people, but nowadays when I'm speaking in front of people, I am literally hesitating to speak in front of people. Then what is the solution? If I'm hesitating to speak in front of people, then I have to speak in front of people. If I'm hesitating to speak on the stage, speak on the stage. That is the solution. There is no other solution. If you are hesitating to speak in front of people, speak in front of people. If you are hesitating to speak one-to-one call, so when you communicate with the people one-to-one call, if you are hesitating, do communicate. That is the solution, my friends, and nothing else, isn't it? So that's really important. If you are hesitating to speak in front of family member, then speak with your family member. Whether they will understand or not, just speak like foolish and nothing else. That is the solution, my friends, isn't it? So speak confidently matters practice, my friends. More you practice, more you speak confidently. I also agree that still I am fumbling lots of time. Sometimes also I confused what should I speak. But when I do practice daily, I feel very confident. Even if I do not practice one day, it seems like that last 1 year onwards I am not practicing. That's why I daily practice in English speaking club I join, English speaking class I join, group discussion I join, so that I'll be able to enhance my communication skill, isn't it? So in this way we are learning together, my friends. So suppose you want to uproot one small tree. Suppose you want to uproot one small tree, you can uproot very easily, isn't it? Because the plant is the tree is very small, isn't it? Very small. So that's why in that way, if the tree become grow big, so you can't uproot their roots, isn't it? So just like that, if you practice daily, if you do not practice daily, it is very common that you will feel underconfidence, you will feel lethargic, you will feel that I am not going to learn anything. Same like that, if you practice daily, so it is, if you practice daily, if you speaking daily with your friends, with anyone, so it is very hard to break your confidence level. It is very hard to break your it is very hard to break your consistency level, isn't it? So that's really important. Speak daily. English is really important, my friends. So also I want to speak another topic. I want to share my another opinion because I have jotted down here, my friends. So okay. So here is a quotation that, my friends, feeling proud of success in natural, feeling proud of success in natural, but becoming arrogant is a choice. So it is very thought-provoking statement, my friends. I understood what I understood that, my friends, whenever we get success, it is very natural that you will feel proud. You will feel you will feel very proud, isn't it? Right? Whenever you get success, suppose you secured highest mark in your school, in your college, it is very common that you feel proud. But nowadays what is happening, I don't know, in many cricketers, many actors, many the hero heroines, and many motivational speaker in this in YouTube through, I know them. Even though they got success in the life, but they are unable to maintain their politeness. They are not down to earth. They are very arrogant. Have you ever observed, like, there are many hero heroines? But I don't like that quality, my friends. So that's why we feel very confident when we get success, my friends. So whenever we get success, we should never be so arrogant. We should not be stubborn, my friends, so that you will be able to maintain your social order. You will be able to maintain your quality, which is really important for you, isn't it? So that's enough for today's video, my friends. I try my level best to share my opinion, whether I spoke, whether I am speaking wrong or whether I'm speaking correct, I don't know, but at least I'm trying to speak in English language. So I hope this video will find you fit and fine, my friends. So that's enough from today's video, my friends. I hope you will get very informative from this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye, my friends, and have a great day. Bye bye.